Next problem is find sin x plus nc1 into sin 2x plus nc2 into sin 3x plus nc3 into sin 4x plus so on plus ncn into sin n plus 1x. So this problem we have to solve. Now solution. Okay, तो यहाँ पे क्या है, यहाँ पे binomial coefficients are there and other is what, trigonometry function sin is there. Instead of sin, if cos is also there, then also we'll use same method. Okay, so for solving this one, what you will do, first we will write general term of this one. So how to write sigma NCR, here what you write, sine of r plus 1 x, where r is what, starting value is what, 0 and ending value is what, n. You can check, if I put r equal to 0 we'll get nc naught is what, 1 sine 0 plus 1 x, so we'll get sine x. If I put r equal to 1 here, nc1 sine of 1 plus 1 is what, 2 sine 2x, so we'll get this one. Similarly, if you put r value is what, n, so we'll get ncn sine of n plus 1 x, so we'll get last term. Okay, so this series we can write in terms of like that. Okay, now we have to solve this one. Instead of sine, if we have cos also, then also we'll use same method. Okay, we know that e power iota theta, e power iota theta is what, cos theta plus iota sin theta. So from here we can say that cos theta is what, real part of e power iota theta, and similarly sin theta we can write as what, imaginary part of img of e power iota theta. This one we can write down. So from here sine of r plus 1 x, so instead of theta we are writing r plus 1 x. Okay, so sine of r plus 1 x we can write what, imaginary part of e power iota, instead of theta what we have to write, r plus 1 x. Okay, r plus 1 x, this one we have to write. Okay, so instead of sine r plus 1 x we are writing this one. So what will come, sigma r equal to 0 to n ncr, imaginary part of e power iota r plus 1 x will come. Okay, so what we will do, imaginary part we can take outside, so imaginary part of sigma r equal to 0 to n ncr into e power, this one we are writing what, iota rx plus iota x, this one we are writing. Okay, so in this one we have to find out imaginary part. So what we will do, imaginary part of this one, what you are doing, sigma r equal to 0 to n ncr, this one we are writing what, e power iota rx into e power iota x, like that we are writing. So what you do, here we want imaginary part of e power iota x, we are taking common. So what will come, e power iota x here in bracket, sigma r equal to 0 to n, this one is ncr, and e power iota rx we are writing what, e power iota x to the whole power r, this one we are writing like that. Okay, we know that binomial series 1 plus x to the whole power n, this one we can write what, sigma r equal to 0 to n ncr into x power r. Okay, so if this one is given we can write what, like that we can write. Okay, now here this one is what, sigma r equal to 0 to n ncr e power iota x to the power r. So if I take this one is x, this one is x, and if you use this formula, so this will come what, this will come what, here we want imaginary part of e power iota x in bracket, this one we can write what, 1 plus x, x is what, e power iota x, 1 plus e power iota x to the whole power n, this will come. So in this one we want imaginary part. Okay, now this one will write as imaginary part of, in bracket, e power iota x as it is, e power iota x as it is in bracket. Now here we are taking e power iota x by 2, we are taking common, so e power iota x by 2 common in bracket, what will come, e power minus iota x by 2 plus e power iota x by 2 to the whole power n, this will come. Okay, if you take e power iota x by 2 common, we'll get here e power minus iota x by 2 and here will come e power iota x by 2. Okay, now what you will do here, imaginary part of e power iota x Now if you take power n here, so this will come out e power iota nx divided by 2, and this one is nothing but 2 cos x by 2 to the whole power n. This will come. Okay, now this will come what? Imaginary part of this one is what? Real number. So this will come what? 2 cos x by 2 to the whole power n, and this will come out e power iota x plus nx divided by 2. This will come. Now this will come out imaginary part of, in bracket, this one as it is 2 into cos of x by 2 to the whole power n, and this one we can add what? Cos of x plus nx divided by 2 plus iota sine x plus nx divided by 2. This will come. We want here imaginary part. Okay, and you can see that if you multiply this one inside, so what will come? Imaginary part of, we'll get what? 2 into cos of x by 2 to the whole power n into cos of x plus nx divided by 2 plus iota. This one you have to multiply here also, so what will come? 2 cos x by 2 to the whole power n into sine x plus nx divided by 2. This will come. We want imaginary part. So imaginary part is what? This one. Okay, so what will come? This one, imaginary part is, imaginary part equal to, this will come out 2 power n into cos n x by 2 sine of x plus nx divided by 2. This is your imaginary part, and we want this one, we want sigma r equal to 0 to n ncr into sine of r plus 1x. Okay, so this one is nothing but imaginary part. Okay, so this is equal to what? This one. So this summation is nothing but what? This one. Now here in same problem, instead of sin x, if I write cos x, then series will come what? Cos x plus nc1 into cos 2x plus nc2 into cos 3x plus nc3 into cos 4x plus so on plus ncn into cos n plus 1x. Okay, so this problem we want to solve. Okay, so what we will do? Same thing, this series we write in terms of general term. So this will come. Now this is nothing but what? Real part of e power iota r plus 1x. Okay, so same way we have to solve this one also. So here we want real part re. So here also we want real part. Same thing we have to do. So instead of imaginary part we have to write real part. So here also we want real part. Here also we want real part. Okay, here also we have to want real part. Here also we 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 want real part. So here real part is what? This one. Okay, so what is the answer? 2 power n into cos x by 2 to the whole power n into, instead of sine what will come? Cos will come. So there, here will come what? Cos. So real part is what? Real part is what? Real part is 2 power n into cos to the whole power n x by 2 into cos of x plus nx by 2. Okay, so this series summation is nothing but what? This one.